How can I find if the date lies between two dates? I have the date like. Is there any single line function which can return true if date lies in that range? I mean, if only date.min is provided, then I need to check if given date is greater than it, and if only max is provided, then I need to check if it's less than that. And if both are provided, then whether it falls between them.
Dates in the form YYYYMMDD can be compared alphabetically as well. This won't work correctly for other formats, such as dd.mm.yyyy or mm/dd/yyyy. In that case, you have to parse the strings and convert them into datetime objects. If don't know whether the min/max variables are present, you can do and replace the default text values with anything you prefer.
I think simple comparison works for that. Here is the updated version.
If you deal with date objects,